Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of our 72, way up there, Alfa Romeo GTV commission build. Today, we're gonna work on steering. All right, so there's really two projects here. Let's get started. All righty guys, in this episode, we're gonna really focus on electric power assist for the GTV. Now here is the new CNC steering box. Everything's painted. We are going to have to put all this together. That's going to be a separate video, but we got to do some fabrication work to get this electric power assist unit in the car. So today we're going to work on getting this mounted in where the original steering column and all that would be. We're going to replace it with this unit. So we got to do a little cutting, a little fab work. There's going to be some welding involved, all the fun stuff. So let me show you why there has to be welding. So let me get this out of the box. So this piece here will basically kind of sit over a section so that it will, so this thing has room to mount up close into the area where the old steering column was at. There's not a lot of room, so we're gonna have to make some cutting and we're gonna have to put this plate in and weld it in place. So that's kind of what we're gonna focus on today, is getting this in place, not welded, but tacked in place somehow, and then mounting this to kind of see where we're at. Then we're gonna have to build the box so that we can measure to see how much we're gonna have to cut so it will join and get welded onto this shaft here. So this is where basically the steering wheel will go, and then this is going down to the steering box, which will connect to the shaft. All right, so let me get the car down and let me show you exactly what we got to cut. We'll get it marked out, we'll cut it out, and we'll get this in place. So here is where the original column and everything mounted. Down there is the hole kind of peeking through there where the column goes through. Now this piece is going to be mounted, if I can get it organ, there we go. All right, so it's going to be mounted somewhere like right up in here. So what I have to do is just remove this, and then I've got to mark where I need to cut, and then we'll cut this out, and then we'll see where, and then we'll get this mounted up in there, and then get the steering column in there, and we'll see what it all looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut out and then show you exactly what it looks like, and then go from there. All right, so I have drawn out where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this notch out, and that should, at that point, make it fit right up in there snug, to give room for the power assisted motor to go in. So let me get these cut and we'll come right back. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. We have her in. She is not welded in, just kind of held up there right now. So it's a you know, tight fit, but we'll do all the welding and everything. And then here you can see on that side as well. If I can come out a little bit, there we go. So that is in. So the next thing I'm going to do is mount the new steering column. We'll get that in and see what it looks like, and then show you that. And then the next step is to build the box, steering box. That'll be in a separate video, and then from there we'll be able to measure and cut. Hopefully measure twice, cut once, and get all that put in place properly. And then we should be good to go to mount this and start to test it. Alrighty, we've got it in place, well, temporarily in place. I ended up having to cut the column. Of course, there's directions on how to do that, and that way the part of the column will come in where we'll, connect the blinkers and all that, the keys here. When you take the key out, it locks the steering column, so it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. But yeah, it looks great, as you can see here. Come back, so the motor will be tilted up a little bit, and that'll be locked in place. Let me go around to the other side. All right, there we go. And it is in. It looks pretty good, I might add. So also it's lined up nicely down here, so it's hard to tell. But there she is right here. She's lined up to come straight through and back out to the new steering box. So power assist round 1 did not kick my rear. I think we did a good job. Now on for the next part, which we just got to test a few more things out and then wrap the video up, at least for the fabrication side. Okay, got the dash in, temporarily in, just to see what it looks like. And I know the lighting is not the best, so I apologize, but there's the motor right there. Everything's in, turn smooth. Let's see, if I come up here, you can see it's hidden very well. Let me walk around on the passenger side. So yeah, so she's tucked way up in there and she looks pretty good. So I think that is a wrap on the fabrication side. We still got to, again, build the box, steering box, and get that connected. So we're working out how to do that. But I think I'm gonna call this one a wrap. So let's get this thing wrapped up. Guys, thank you for watching the fabrication of the power assist unit going into our GTV commission build. I wanted to make a short video to show you how we install it, cutting where the steering column goes, putting the bracket up there. We still, in another video, will have to weld it, but I'm holding all of that for when I do the welding on the tonal itself, so I just kind of get all that at one time. Instead of breaking out the welder, setting it up for just a short little quick weld. So that's coming. The next video is going to be putting together the steering box, because we're going to have that. Once that's done, then I'll be able to get it back in the car and measure the distance so we know where to cut the steering shaft that goes into the box itself, and then we'll be able to make that with made it up to the power assist unit. And gosh, and then I think we can apply some power and see if this thing works. Thank you so much for joining along. This, again, quick video. Just want to keep videos coming on this project. We're really trying to push to get this thing to the paint and body shop very soon. Also got to get the engine running. That's going to be another video, and then a million other things. So anyway, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. It definitely helps out the channel grow. And as always, God bless.